Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is Varma and today we are going to analyze Bank Nifty. See friends, many people without knowledge enter into the Bank Nifty options trading, and without proper knowledge in the options trading they make huge losses and they blown up their capital. To avoid these losses we have to gain knowledge. So now we are going to discuss about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty index is the most liquid and large Indian banking stocks, and this index contains of 12 banking companies listed on National Stock Exchange. Okay, now why these only 12 companies are considered? Okay, we will discuss now. And Nifty Bank Index is computed using free float market capitalization method. Okay, what is mean by free float market capitalization method? Free float market capitalization is nothing but company has locked some shares, and when these shares are released, it is known as free float market capitalization, and these shares are used for trading. Now, as I said, 12 stocks are considered eligibility criteria for selection of stocks. Companies should form a part of Nifty 500 at the time of review, and companies should form a part of banking sector. The company's trading frequency should be at least 90% in the last 6 months, and that means trading activity must be 90% in the last 6 months. The company should have a listing history of 6 months. A company which comes out of IPO will be eligible for inclusion in the index. Nothing but companies should have a listing history of 6 months. Companies that are allowed to trade in F&O segment are only eligible to be constituent of the index. Final selection of 12 companies shall be done based on the free float market capitalization, as we now discussed. And now index rebalancing. Index is rebalanced on semi-annual basis. The cutoff date is January 31 and July 31 of each year. Nifty Bank launch date September 15, 2003, and calculation frequency real time, index rebalancing semi-annually, as I said. Now we are going to discuss top constituents by weightage, and that means these 12 banks weightage. Company's name weightage. HDFC Bank 30%, ICICI Bank 22.06%, Axis Bank 11.87%, Kotak Mahindra Bank 11.40%, State Bank of India 10.61%, IndusInd Bank 5.53%, AU Small Finance Bank 2.29%, Bandhan Bank 1.78%, Federal Bank 1.50%, IDFC First Bank 1.0%. Friends, if index is 100% weightage, then HDFC Bank holds 30% weightage. See friends, most of the people while trading in Bank Nifty, they won't lift these stocks. They take positions without knowing support and resistance, friends. But now onwards, while you are trading in Bank Nifty, please consider at least two stocks from this, either HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank. While considering these stocks, you may get higher probability of taking trades. See friends, now I am going to explain in chart. Okay, now I am opening trading view platform. See friends, this is September 21st trading day. This is Bank Nifty 5 minutes time frame chart, and I am trading with pivot points, CPR and exponential moving average 20 days. See this chart, and now we will consider HDFC Bank. See friends, it's looking like similar charts, not looking like it's similar charts. So while you are trading in Bank Nifty, please consider ICICI Bank or HDFC Bank. You may get higher probability of trades while using this. See now you are choosing this. When the market is sustained below 20 EMA average, see from here to here, and same 20 EMA average from here to here. Okay friends. Okay friends, now I will show you how to download this PDF file and how to analyze with your own. Now open Google and NSE, National Stock Exchange, and here National Stock Exchange of India. In this about NSE indices, NSE indices publications, and in this sectorial, see here broad market, sectorial, thematic, strategy, fixed income. In this you have to choose sectorial, and in this Nifty Bank. Yeah, you can download this PDF file and analyze your, and now you can analyze your own. Okay friends, this is our video. Stay tuned to our channel friends. I will post interesting videos on this channel, and please do like, comment and share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching our video friends.